taste, there's a twist and a flavor. Brown skin, my sweet melanin, cocoa butter. I wanna.
Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, a round of applause for you. Kindly subscribe. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this minimalist makeup look. I have applied my moisturizer on my face, so the next thing is to apply my primer. Make sure that in every makeup step that you do, you apply your primer. Next, I'm going to be using my foundation from Ezekiel Cosmetics. I'll be applying just this little. I don't need too much. It's a minimalist makeup look. You can see that there is like a difference between this and this. I've applied foundation on my face. The next thing, as a minimalist makeup look, I'm going to just start with a concealer that is exactly my skin tone, just for. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend that out. Then I'm going to be putting for a brighter under eye, I'm going to be applying a lighter shade of concealer under my eyes, just to give my face a little pop. Yeah, this, you don't need too much, just this much for the under eye. I have successfully applied the concealer under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using my setting powder to set my under eye. Next, I'm going to be using my V Beauty powder palette to set the rest of my face. I'll be using the shade Dark Chocolate. For my brows, I'm going to be using my eyebrow pencil from Milani. I'm going to be outlining the sparse areas. For a minimalist look, you don't want to shade the eyebrows, especially if you have very full brows like mine. You don't want to shade your brows, you just want to go in lightly and just carve like a little shape. I'm going to be concealing my brows with the concealer that is exactly my shade, and then I'm just going to outline. I'm going to do the same for the top of my brows. Using my buffer brush to blend the ash areas. Then let me do this side. So yes, I've been able to conceal the brows. I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. Because it's a minimalist makeup look, I'm just going to go with my powder in the shade Dark Chocolate on my eyelids to just set the concealer that I just applied. For my lips, I'm going to be using the OG Davis pencil to line my lips. I'm just gonna shade it in. I have this nude lipstick. I'm going to put it right in the middle of my lips. Then I mix. I'm going to go in with a clear gloss, just for a little color on my face. Yes, I'm just going to be using a little bit of blush, a little bit of powder blush. For my eyelashes, I'm going to be using my mascara. That's it. I've been able to achieve this look. That's the end of the video. If you like this video, kindly like, kindly subscribe, and kindly share this video. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. Oh shit, just a little chaos going on. The one that is lighter and the one that is, I'm just gonna apply. I'm using my beauty powder palette, my powder, so, and then I'm going to be just going to be off. I'm going to be applying it. Oh no, that's not it.